Welcome to our home of 19 years. Also, welcome to our beautiful neighborhood and the wonderful town of Topsfield. When we moved here in 1999, the neighborhood was half filled with houses that were in various stages of construction. High Ridge Road and Morningside Drive bustled with proud parents pushing their young children in carriages and carefully watched those youngsters learning to ride their bicycles on our sidewalks. As our children grew, so did our relationships with our fabulous neighbors. Everyone was incredibly friendly as they waved while strolling by homes, or they would stop in the street to share stories with new friends. Soon, traditions were created as we participated in neighborhood block parties, Easter egg hunts, holiday gatherings, and even Friday night events that brought parents and children regularly into someone's home. It created a close neighborhood where folks wanted to help and ensure that all were safe. This home was designed by us to include our family and my wife's parents. It was amazing to have our 3 children so close to their grandparents. We've truly enjoyed entertaining friends and family within these walls. And that's why we have an open concept floor plan on the main level. Many cherished special occasions happened over the years at 14 High Ridge. Surprise birthday and anniversary parties, high school graduation celebrations, end of sports season events, and yearly holiday feasts were all highlights that we'll fondly remember. The memories that we created as a family and as a neighborhood will always be in our hearts. Our hope is that if you make a decision to live and raise your family here, you and yours will enjoy your time as much as we have. Topsfield has been an incredible town and community to live in. We've experienced a very supportive and friendly community here. Whenever families needed assistance or faced challenges, this town banded together for them. The school system and the teachers from kindergarten through high school have been exceptional. There are endless amounts of after-school activities for children to participate in, and recently we've been able to enjoy the new rail trail that runs from Topsfield to Peabody and eventually will stretch all the way to Newburyport. Just up the street is the Ipswich River for canoeing, camping, and even just wandering around the wildlife sanctuary. Leaving this home, the wonderful people that have become our friends, and the beautiful area is difficult. Equally challenging is leaving the home where we raised our wonderful children. We've shared much laughter and tears of joy over the years. We truly believe that we grew closer as a family and as a network of friends because of this neighborhood and this town. Enjoy your time here when you visit in person, and if you do decide to make this your home, we're certain that you and your family will enjoy it as much as we have.